Why does everything I touch now want a monthly payment or subscription or these weird tactics to get that last cent off of you? Art software, creative tools, they used to be bought once or used freely, but now they're layered with subscriptions, tiers, premium content, unlocked features, ultra gold, ultra this, leave no doubt at the door edition, Ari edition, Margaret edition. Don't leave no doubt at the useless monster edition. All right. I mean everything from the art down to when you want to post it to galleries. I mean most of them are on memberships, which I get. Reoccurring revenue and subscription style models because one-off sales are volatile. The art world is turning culture into a billing strategy where access matters more than ownership, and it's a lot, man. You can joke that the artist is becoming like a luxury Netflix, but the real product is the feeling of belonging to the right tier. All these tiers, eh? Don't Get Left Behind edition, premium edition, gold and silver. I don't know what's what anymore. You don't know, especially when you buy a game these days. Most of the time, I just leave it because there's the premium edition, the ultimate edition, the platinum edition. I never knew it got beyond platinum edition, but now I see companies leave no doubt at the door edition. That is real, people. That is a real edition. I mean, one of the biggest ones that started all of this, Adobe with their Creative Cloud and their subscription lock. And they lock you in. I don't know if you've ever tried to get out of an Adobe subscription, but it ain't easy. You need to go study for that. Because if you miss one thing, you're locked in again. And that's the thing. We used to own this. Used to buy it once. Perpetual ownership. It was great. You could use it as much as you want. Now, and these are like standard industry tools. And it's just like that. It's not just a software. It became the default gatekeeper for a lot of creative work. Now, I think they still have it where even if you don't have a subscription, you can still open your files, but you can't do anything with it. It just shows you that they own your work. You can never do anything with that file again. It's locked inside of that membership until you give them that sweet cash. It's annoying. It's horrible. It's everything today. Even if you're using something like Unreal Engine, where it's free, it's free. It's affordable. But the surrounding ecosystem is where the spending starts. The marketplaces, the plugins, the asset stores, services, premium, add-ons, it's all of this stuff. You make money off your game, you're paying, which I get. That part I understand. You build for free, you pay later, that's fine, but still everything costs. Everything's a microtransaction or a subscription. All of these things are really well thought out. The engine is your entry ticket. It's like a free ticket. Not like Disneyland. If you've ever been to Disneyland, you're paying tons of cash to get into a massive shop. A massive shop. You pay huge amounts to get it. But I enjoyed it. It was cool. I get it. So it becomes like an entry ticket. And the real cost shows up later when you need everything to actually work. If you need the good assets, if you need the good this. Look, I'm not going to hit Blender on any of this because Blender still fights the good fight. There's a million plugins you can buy for it though. Incredible plugins. But I get it. It's community driven. It's fine. If you need something, Blender is incredible. So I'm going to leave Blender completely out of this. I wish everybody would look at Blender and kind of do what they do. Yeah. Everything is becoming this. An ecosystem that monetize every step of the workflow. Every single step of this workflow is monetized. And it's the same with things like if you're using your Real Illusion and your DAS. And look, it's good software, and it's not, I mean, that DAS needs work, let's be honest, but it's fun. And it used to be free. And I'm saying used to be because a lot of the features are locked now behind a premium edition. They always used to have their lock behind if you're a PA, which is like a dude that creates stuff for the store. You get some nice tools that you can use. The one I've always wanted was the HD ZBrush one, but that one was locked. It was always locked, fine. But I get that through Character Creator now. But it's clever. It's a free piece of software. It's not free anymore. Let's stop saying it's free. It's $20 a month if you want to use the entire program. But yeah, still, and it's not that. It's a clever kind of. Their website is clever. It's very clever. With every day these deals come on. Hey, save this, save that. Get your subscription. Your become a member. It's not a member anymore, isn't it? It's a premium Leave No Doubt at the Door edition membership now, isn't there? So, and you get a model a month or something, a couple of things to kind of force you into keep paying. Right? Here's $10 off if you spend 20. Here's whatever. I don't know exact things anymore. I don't use it. I don't care for it. And then on top of that, you're buying all your models and this and that. It's I've compared this to like the Real Illusion ecosystem. I've spent about 4 or 5 times the amount on DAS than I have on Real Illusion. And Real Illusion is the same. It's expensive. Their packs are way more expensive. Way more expensive. There's a ton of cool things. They integrate them well. Let's be honest. Everything they create, they've integrated well. It's not some arty left on the side where lefty's wife. I want to call it a wife, but it's not, is it? I say it's creature, it's dog on the side of the road, so something can feed it. I don't know. Yeah, I mean they make their money, right? You need a tool, you need something, you have to buy it. You need this, you buy it. It's clever. It's on their side. It's small little things, right? $10 here, $5 here, $20 here. I need this. Oh, you want the you bought the model, but you want the HD model. All right. Well, Ari, why didn't you say so? Sit down. Let's talk about how much that is. All right. It's all little things to lead you into this ecosystem, and they are so well developed. If DAS spent half the amount of their budget on their tactics of catching people in their ecosystem, on their software, the software would be probably standard edition. Like every Pixar would be using it probably at this point. So it's a little crazy. And they know what they're doing. They know exactly what they're doing. And on every one of these things, there's tiers of memberships. What happened to just one membership? Why are there tiers now? So it used to be the standard tier. Now, you got to pay a lot more because it has a bigger name. And then they make a shittier tier, which was way lower than the other one, and you're paying the same price as you used to pay for the premium Leave No Doubt at the Door edition. Still my favorite edition of all time. Leave No Doubt at the Door edition. What plonker came up with that? Tactics that they use. You know, it's these unlock discounts, exclusive content, pay this, pay that, you get this for free, you get that. It's not free. It's not free, man. And the premier features. Hey, you get to use the program that used to be there beforehand. is not just paying for software, it's paying to stay inside the ecosystem, unlock the content, and keep up with the real workflow. Like all the tools that you need, very cleverly taken away and hidden and put into these places where you need them. Oh, wait, that used to be there. Now what? And the thing is, I'm trying DAS 6, and I like it. It is faster. It's faster. The rendering is faster. Everything's faster. I always have to leave it. I can't take it through to Maya. Probably going to be a paid feature. I can't take it through here. I can't do it there. The ZBrush plugin still works, which I haven't tested properly yet, but it installed. But otherwise, I need to be able to transfer these things into other programs where I want to start rendering. Yeah. And even Real Illusion, they've got a perpetual, which I've always loved, but now they've introduced a subscription model, right? And it's just a matter of time before that perpetual disappears. And this is it. Like it's not thinking, hey, this is gonna last. It's when will they move? Because it's more profitable as a subscription. Get enough people on something, pull the rug under their feet, and now you're stuck in that ecosystem. And that's the same as all these. Everyone, they're all the same. They're all the same mind thought. That Ari in the back of everything, yeah, thinking these things up. How do we make that last cent, Ari? Margaret, no, don't touch it, Margaret. It's on the top shelf. What are you doing? I told you not to go there, Margaret. And that's what all of these people are doing. What does that do to us? What does it do to us? It makes us start feeling like we are renting our careers. We are paying for every step of this thing. We need all these. They've got us in their ecosystems. We need to use the programs. But we don't, though. We don't. Because for all of these programs, there's a free choice. I wouldn't say for DAS or Pose or anything like Real Illusion, but things like Photoshop, things like Premiere, things like the Adobe suite are starting to get cool one-time payment, cheap payments, DaVinci Code, things like this. They're good. They've also got paid plans, but they're nothing. They're cheap. They're fair. So there are still companies out there that kind of fight the good fight. For now, I mean, I used to use Nuke. I don't know if you've seen the price of Nuke. It's ridiculous. It's greed, man. It's absolute greed. So that's it. We have to keep up with these subscriptions, renewals, content packs, and platform changes just to keep producing work at the same level. That turns creative life into overhead. And overhead kills freedom. At the end of the day, what is the worst thing you can do to a creative person, an artist? Is taking away their freedoms. So these companies, they're not owned by creators anymore. None of them. What started off very creative, very promising, very beautiful. These suits, these arties, all managed to weasel their way in these companies somehow, buy them out, pay them out, and say, hey, Margaret, give me that last little carrot on the table. No, Margaret, not that one. I told you not to touch that, Margaret. And that's what happens. These broken, logical minds come in and they wipe things out so they can earn that one last cent. And that's what we live in right now. And let me make it clear, the problem is not the companies. They need to make money. We get it. We live in a world that is God. It is God. There is no one on earth that will not bow down to money. It rules everything on earth, and that's what humanity chose. It's money. Money is freedom. Money is time. And that's not the problem. It's fine if these companies make money. It's the whole creative world has normalized pay forever or fall behind. And that's the real frustration. Art, software, and tools are no longer just tools, they're ongoing obligations. At this point, creativity isn't just expression, it's a subscription stack, which kind of sucks. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. The image playing in the background is literally how we should all be feeling. It's just this monster. It's Margaret grabbing us from behind, not letting us go. And let's be honest, this is a very flattering image of Margaret. It truly is. She looks beautiful in this image. Normally when she wakes up or she hasn't put on her makeup yet, it looks like a real beast. Something that will make you stub your eyes out. Anyway, let me know what you think. What do you think? Are you happy? Are you ecstatic? Giving Adobe your monthly fee, making it impossible virtually to get out. And that's another tactic that these people use. It's, do you want to cancel? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. Why? Yes. Why? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. All right, this is the final cancel button. Cancel? Yes. And then there'll be a button that's out of sight, hidden somewhere on a page that says final cancellation button or some bullshit. These tactics that these people use, the minds behind these decisions, the brokenness, probably no friends in their life, been beaten their whole, I don't know what their problem is. I don't know why anyone would create something like that to live in this world. It's a joke, a cruel joke, in all honesty. Why suits just do this? Why? I don't understand. Let me know your comments. Let me know what you think. Are you joyful? Do you wake up in the morning and start singing in the mornings? I got to pay my subscription today. Yes! That's amazing. Oh, there's 1,000 things I need. Oh, there's a new asset pack out for $300. Yay! Do you dance around the room? Do you wish you were married to Margaret? What is it? Tell me your thoughts on this. If you're as frustrated, if you see how these things are adding up and just how annoying everything is. I'm so tired of subscriptions. I'm done with them. I hate them. I don't want them to exist anymore. The people behind this shit all get fired, lose their job. We don't need people like this in the world anymore running things. They should be put away in like a big hole with their microtransactions and their clever ideas of conning people into their ways. And I'm just tired of it. I'm tired of it and sick of it. You know, I'm all right. Like I do all right. But these people that are starting out, these people that are trying to get somewhere in life, everything starts free. It's very much a drug addiction, isn't it? It's like, here, take your first sample, your first hit, it's free. Come on, use it. Free account, sign up, it's free. Come on, do it. And then all of a sudden, bam, I need this, I need that, I need this. Hey, here's your 20% discount. Have you seen how Higgsfield does it? Every time you open Higgsfield, oh, you've been chosen, you've got a 20, you've got a 55% discount. And you can't go to any page without these discounts popping up. I don't know, man. And all this clever talk of how they kind of sell you something, but it's not true. It doesn't work like that. And then you read the finer print, or you decipher it. You spend years learning these new languages so you can decipher what their language means, and you see all of a sudden, oh, it doesn't mean that. It's not that. It's a catch. It's a con. All these places are the same, man. I hope you have a lovely weekend. I hope the joys of Margaret come down and shower you with her heaven, whatever. Thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you later. Bye, guys.